Hank here from Kegworks. Today we're going to show you 2 ways to make an old-fashioned. The old-fashioned originated in the 1800s and follows the classic cocktail formula of spirit, sugar, water, and bitters. There have been many adaptations and name changes since its inception, and today there are still several commonly used variations. We'll be showing you how to make 2 of the most common ones. We'll start with a classic old-fashioned. Start by adding a bar spoon of gum syrup to your glass. Next, add 2 dashes of angostura aromatic bitters. Then, 2 ounces of rye whiskey. Carefully add a large cube of ice to your glass and stir until chilled and diluted, about 20 seconds. Finally, garnish with a lemon swath. Next, we'll make a modern old-fashioned that came about in the Prohibition era. Start by adding a sugar cube to your glass. Next, add 2 dashes of angostura aromatic bitters directly to the sugar cube. Now, cut a slice from an orange, cut that in half and place it in your glass along with 2 maraschino cherries. Use a muddler to work those ingredients together. Then, add 2 ounces of bourbon. Fill your glass with small ice cubes and stir until chilled and diluted, about 20 seconds. Garnish with the remaining half orange slice and another maraschino cherry. These are only 2 of nearly unlimited variations of the old-fashioned. You can experiment by changing up the type of syrup or bitters you use, the garnish you choose, or even the type of spirit. Drop a comment below to let us know your preferred old-fashioned recipe. Don't forget to stop by kegworks.com to shop our selection of cocktail ingredients, drinkware, bar tools, and more. Cheers!